In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in a cell in Google Sheets. This is perfect for things like product catalogs, team rosters, or any sheet where you want a clean, compact image that moves and behaves like regular data. First, decide exactly where you want the image to live and click that cell. This click matters because the image will be anchored to the cell you select. Think of the cell as a small frame. Whatever you place inside will stay tied to that spot, even as you sort or filter your data. Next, go up to the top of your screen and open the Insert menu. From there, choose Image, and then select Image in Cell. It's important to choose Image in Cell rather than Image over Cells. Image in Cell places the picture inside the grid itself, so it behaves like a value in the spreadsheet. Image over Cells, by contrast, floats on top and doesn't lock to a specific cell. For a tidy, data-friendly layout, Image in Cell is the right choice. After that, pick your image source or upload a file. Google Sheets lets you upload from your computer, paste a link, or pull from your drive or photos. Choose the image you want and confirm. A quick tip here. Images that are square or close to square usually display more clearly in a cell, especially when the row height is not very tall. High contrast images also tend to be easier to recognize at smaller sizes. Once the image is added, it will appear right inside the selected cell. At this point, the image is locked to the cell and will resize with your row. In other words, if your layout changes and the row height adjusts, the image will scale along with it to stay neatly contained. Because you're inserting the image into the cell itself, it becomes part of the sheet's structure, so it behaves predictably when you sort, filter, or copy the data. Keep in mind that the size of the cell defines how large the image appears. If the picture looks small, that's expected in tight layouts. Plan your sheet with that in mind and choose images that still look good at reduced sizes. Also, consider image clarity and file size. Using appropriately compressed images helps your sheet stay responsive, especially if you plan to include a lot of them. And that's all there is to it. Click the cell, go to Insert, choose Image, select Image in Cell, pick your source, and you're done. Your image now lives in the cell and will resize with your row for a clean, consistent look.